Good morning, viewers. You're watching Republic TV with me, Hina Sharma. Our top focus today is the major airlines, Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, seeking relaxation from government over FDTL pilot norms. Now, not to forget that two sections of the FDTL were exempted earlier after Indigo flight disruptions. The discussions were held and flights met Ministry to make FDTL norms relaxing for pilots. So we already saw a major chaos took place with Indigo flights earlier, and after that, DGCA gave out relaxation to FDTL norms, but now the airlines are again seeking relaxation. The exemption were given earlier to the FDTL norms, but airlines are now again seeking relaxation over the norms. So this is a big breaking. Now the deadline for the exemption is due on 10th of February, and DGCA is already reviewing this entire matter every 15 days. But the big breaking is that the airlines, Air India, Indigo and others, are again seeking relaxation over FDTL norms. All right, I have my colleague Harsha with me. Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining in. We saw earlier what a chaotic situation panned out with Indigo Airlines, and after that DGCA gave out some exemptions to the FDTL norm. Now airlines are again seeking FDTL exemptions, relaxation in the FDTL norms. What do you think? Do you think that the ministry will pull back from those exemptions given in the FDTL norms?
It's very difficult. So the pressure is right now mounting from the side of the airlines on the government body, on the regulatory body and the ministry, of course. What we remember last time is that in December there was the Indigo flight disruptions and chaos caused because of the new FDTL norms which was implemented from 1st of November. To tell you briefly that how the exemptions were given, there were two major sections in the FDTL norm which were causing crew instability. The DGCA regulatory body asked Indigo that for now the exemptions will be given. That will be the temporary exemption, that too till 10th of February. But after that, there will be no exemptions. Till 10th of February, Indigo has to ensure that their crew stability is maintained, and also FDTL should be implemented the way the rules have been formed on November 1st. Now, all the major airlines, let's say Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, Air Asia, they all have been nudging government. They are continuously meeting the regulatory body and the ministry. They're continuously stating that this is unstable. The new FDTL norm is very unstable for the future crew stability and the future crew movement. So therefore, exemptions should be given. Some tweaks need to be done in that FDTL norm, to which government body has yet not agreed. A lot of mincing has been done in the parliamentary panel meeting on the aviation which was held on December of 17. This issue was raised by the airline holders who were part of that meeting, but till now nothing has been guaranteed from the side of the ministry and the regulatory body itself. We are waiting if this month the meeting happens, because 10th of February, Hina, is not far. On 10th of February, all the relaxations given to Indigo will itself finish, and after 10th February onward, they have to ensure that crews are proper, there's proper stability, the timings are maintained, and there should be no disruption which has been promised by Indigo, because already rupees 22.20 crore fine was levied on Indigo by the regulatory body because of the flight disruption. Back to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Harsha, for getting us